This day is the exact day we started this YouTube channel last year, and this is how we started.
Back when we were still in high school, my partner was really passionate with programming already, and he enjoys teaching and sharing his knowledge, especially with me. Though I can't really understand it because I don't really know anything about programming back then. A lot of times, I see him studying a new programming language voluntarily for that makes him happy, and I think that is what passion can do. It continued up until when we were in senior high school. My partner was always telling me his game ideas. That is why SDPT Games was created.
This channel was created on March 15, 2018, with the plan of starting a YouTube channel about game development, named SDPT Games, because why not? But due to schoolworks and other reasons, it did not happen. Though we managed to make a lot of games such as Scholar Impact, Arena Marauders, Play Dash, Convolution, The Unknown, and many more.
Before our college life begins, we joined a programming community group on Facebook named Programmer Ako. There, we saw a unity between programmers. Everyone was so nice and willing to help anyone who had question or problem in their codes.
We were inspired. Thank you for creating this amazing community, Rai. He is the owner of Programmer Ako, and that's the starting point of SDPT Solutions.
On May 29, 2019, we finally decided to create a YouTube channel dedicated to Filipino programmers. And that is the time we finally had the courage and we managed to schedule our time to make this plan come to life.
As partners, we cleared out our vision and goal in making this channel. We were focused in one thing, and that is to be a YouTube channel that will help programmers in our own country in a language that we all know and easy to understand.
We came up with an introduction video which was uploaded from that same day.
Our first tutorial videos was very hard for us to publish due to lack of time and resources. My partner was also new to this recording thing, and that time she didn't have a computer, but she managed to film every midnight because it's quiet, and that is the only time she can borrow her brother's computer, who was working every night. I thank God for her because she still supports me even though she's really not into that kind of stuff. That's the reason why her video's audio was kinda hard to hear. She was shy and tries to keep quiet. Our videos receive a lot of comments and suggestions, and we use that to improve and make our channel better. Thank you for that. We really appreciate your constructive criticisms and kind feedback, rather than using profane words. It really motivated us.
We had our hardships, of course. It is not an easy path. As time goes by, we also get tired and kind of burned out, especially when the college life has started. Our schedules got more tighter, but whenever we feel down, we always remember the day when we decided as partners about why we really wanted and why we started this YouTube channel.
Magically, it becomes the fuel that made our hearts and passion burn again. That is why, whenever you feel down, just remember why you started in the first place. Never ever believe in the lie that your work is not doing any good. Because if you try to do something, even though it seems like it's not working, you are still improving yourself to become a better person.
We had 100 subscribers by June 18, 2019. But then by God's grace, the channel rapidly grew because of the supporting community and the random posts of Programmer Ako, who was always helping us reach out more people. It was on November 12, 2019 when we reached 8,000 subscribers. We met a lot of people along the way.
From that moment, the only enemy opposing us was discouragement and time management. We can only say that perseverance and willingness are the only key to surpass those obstacles. Months have passed. On May 17, 2020, we finally reached 2,000 subscribers, just before the first year anniversary of our channel, and we were so thankful to everyone who supported us, especially to our SDPT exclusive members.
In conclusion, we just want to tell you guys that to keep improving, you must keep persevering. It is okay to rest and be tired, but never stop what you are doing. Resting is different from giving up. And lastly, all these things, everything we can do is nothing without the guidance of God.
This is SDPT Solutions. We are here to say thank you very much for the 1 year we have spent together. May we all persevere till the end.